Welcome to the next episode of Installation Insiders with your Crawlspace. I'm Benny, this is HB, and he's going to explain a little bit today about how these dehumidifiers will assist in drying your crawlspace.
Yeah, we get asked all the time about dehumidifiers. The question that commonly comes up is, if I've sealed my crawlspace and I've closed the vents off, do I still need a dehumidifier? Well, the short answer is yes, you do need a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier, it helps and acts to dry the air that remains in the crawlspace. Even if the crawlspace is sealed, you're going to have some natural air exchanges, but you have to have some form of conditioned air in the crawlspace. Sometimes that comes in the form of air from your HVAC system, sometimes it comes in the form of a fan, but the dehumidifier is the integral part to that system. We provide a full line of Aprilaire dehumidifiers that all carry a 5-year warranty. We carry everything from a 70 pint to a 135 pint unit to handle a crawlspace from 1,000 to 4,000 square feet. Visit the product page on our website to learn more about the different models of Aprilaire dehumidifiers that we carry.